I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude, but I see.
What you got running there, man?
815 Platinums on a Crossfire 16K.
Yeah.
Been going a little different with the music today.
Oh, that's that nice head unit right there. That's the real deal right there. Hey, you say you got 8 platinum?
8 Platinum 15. Yep.
Okay, what kind of power you running?
What's that?
What kind of power you running back there?
Crossfire 16K.
Just what?
Yeah, normally I have 2. But I'm counting
what?
one. That's half power. Yeah.
Oh man. And it's a
Still
4.
gets down.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
That's a 4-foot or 6.
4.
Yeah. You bet everything yourself?
Huh?
You bet it all yourself?
No, I bought it this
Bought it like that?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I think I remember. I think it was it used to be purple or something on it. Was it purple?
No, that's the other one.
There's another one like this.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yep,
Yeah.
yep. Same guy built both of these.
Oh, y'all got some good trucks, man. Yeah, they nice.
I love it.
Man, I sure appreciate it for the demo, man. Yeah, man. I look forward to seeing you on the next one.
Yep.
Nice doors. He built the doors and all?
Oh, yeah. That's how I like when I can just open it up, man. Let it flow.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah. Oh, yeah, bring it. Let me take a picture here. Thank you, man.
Hey, you still rolling?
Yeah, you're still
Subscribe
rolling.
to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
Right.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.